Okay, so we're making coleslaw and we shredded 2 cups of green cabbage, and now we're gonna shred like 1 cup of purple cabbage. And now we're going to peel and shred a carrot. Everything's shredded, the carrot shredded, the green cabbage and purple cabbage, and we're just gonna mix that all together. 2 teaspoons of honey, a teaspoon of mustard. This is Dijon mustard. This is like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper, half a cup of mayonnaise. All right, so we're gonna mix it all in a bowl. Just gonna quarter of onion, chopped. Okay, so we're gonna mix it up. Alright, once it's all mixed, we're gonna mix in the mayo. Okay, we're gonna add a packet of raisins. We gotta mix it.